Today we are going to take up the chapter on arithmetic progressions. It is a very important chapter from the point of view of class 10th examinations. We first see what exactly are arithmetic progression, what exactly is a sequence, what exactly is a progression and a series, understand these basic terms and then probably get into the deeper understanding of the topic. What is a sequence? A sequence is an arrangement of numbers according to a definite rule. The numbers should be arranged in a definite order as well. For example, if you observe this sequence of numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on and so forth. These are an arrangement of, this is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. The numbers keep on increasing and they follow a definite rule. What is the rule that governs this particular sequence of numbers? All the numbers that you see are prime numbers. So the rule governing this given sequence of numbers is that the numbers are prime numbers. So this is a definite rule according to which the numbers have been arranged and hence this is called a sequence. Now the second term that you would quite often encounter and a lot of people use it interchangeably is the term progression. A progression is somewhat similar to the sequence but it is quite different from that. How it is different? We'll just see. A progression is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order just like a sequence, but it is arranged according to a mathematical rule. The definite rule here and the mathematical rule here, they are different things. We will see it through an example. Example of a progression would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on and so forth. What is the rule that you observe here? The rule is that the numbers that you are looking at are even numbers. And there is a general mathematical rule that governs this sequence of numbers. And the mathematical rule is the nth number. If n is the nth number of the given sequence, this is always equal to 2 into n. For example, this is the first term. So this would be called A1. A1 is what? 2 into 1. What is A2? A2 is 2 into 2. What is A3? A3 is 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5 and so on. So there is a definite mathematical rule that governs this particular given sequence of numbers and hence this sequence of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 etc. is called a progression. Over here in the case of the prime numbers we see that there is a definite rule that the numbers are prime. There is a rule that the numbers are prime, but is there a formula, is there a mathematical formula that tells you whether a number is prime? No. There is no general formula using which you can define that a number is prime or not. Hence, we call this a sequence, whereas if you can write a mathematical rule for the given sequence of numbers, then it becomes a progression. So I hope you get the difference between what a sequence and a progression is. The third thing that we do not have to study in this particular class, but I think you should know about is a series. In both progression and sequence, what you see is that the numbers are separated by commas. The numbers are comma separated. If in place of these commas, we have the summation sign or a minus sign, then this particular sequence or progression would become a series. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this is a progression, but 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10, this becomes a series. So there is a difference between sequence, progression and series. Now after having understood what a sequence and a progression is, now let us get into what a term is. A term, the various terms occurring in a sequence and progression are called terms. The various terms that you see here, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8 and all these numbers are basically called the terms of the given sequence or progression. Now we will get to understand what exactly, how you exactly write the nth term of a given sequence or progression and get an introduction of what arithmetic progression is.